Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I am opening a box that has been sitting inside my house next to the front door for a few weeks. I thought it was my husband's, so I didn't bother to open it. He takes a while to open boxes unless it's something he urgently needs, and he thought it was mine, which it was, so he didn't open it. I had ordered some product from It Cosmetics. They had a promotion running at the time. It must have been mid to early October. If you ordered $50 worth of product, you received $100 worth of mystery items. Or if you ordered $100, you received $200 of mystery items. And there were some things I wanted to try from It Cosmetics. I'm familiar with the brand, and I've had many items in my cosmetic collection, but there were certain things that I did want to try. So after totaling up my order, it did come out to over $100. So the $200 mystery gift has been sitting inside my house, waiting, practically begging for somebody to open it. So today's the day. So let me start with the things that I did order to help me get to that $100 total. First thing I ordered was their brow power. I have used this for quite some time, and I really do like it. It stays in place. I use it in conjunction with an eyebrow gel, and it seems to work for me quite well. I also ordered some superhero mascara. This is really fantastic stuff. The one issue that I do have with this is that sometimes I do get a little bit of a mascara transfer on the bottom, but other than that, it really does lengthen and volumize, and it is one of my favorite mascaras. Now, the two things that I have not tried from It Cosmetics, one being their CC cream, and this has an SPF of 40. I really wanted to try this. I've been wanting to try this, and it was listed as one of their newer items, so I thought now's the time to get it. And I do believe at the time it may have been discounted. So the other item that I wanted to try was their Your Skin But Better setting spray. I haven't tried an It Cosmetics setting spray. I'm not sure if it's the only one that they have, but it intrigued me because it did say that it will give you 16 hours of wear. I'm really interested to see how well this compares to my other setting sprays in my collection, and hopefully it works well. I do have other It Cosmetics foundations, and I'm hoping that it'll work well with those as well as this new CC cream. All right, so let's get to the main event here. Here is the mystery bag, I guess you could say, that they sent. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it's a shiny metallic bag, and there is a bit of a snap closure. It's a bag with handles that you can use at a later time. It's kind of cute. It is marked with their brand logo and also some little lips and a bunch of makeup. Okay, so the first item is a roller. It's a face and neck citrine roller. So this is really nice. I have a few rollers in my collection. Not sure how you compare a roller to a roller, but here's one more to add to the collection. I will be totaling up the items in this bag at the end of this video. Back into the bag, and oh wow, this is their Velvet Luxe Collection Express Fan Brush, and this is a really hefty brush. Let's get it out of its packaging, and wow, this is really nice. It is a big fluffy fan brush, really easy to use for contouring. I am really happy that they included this in this bag. I have to say, when they mentioned that it would be a $200 retail on the products in the bag, I kind of just assumed that they would throw in a collection of brushes, and because that would be an easy way to make up that total. Brushes for certain brands can be quite expensive. I do have a few It Cosmetic brushes, and they're not cheap. They are good quality, but this is really nice. I'm really happy that they included this brush. Back into the bag we go. Here we have the superhero side Chick, which is a dual barrel sharpener. This is interesting. I have no idea that they made anything like this. Here we go. It's just what it says. It's a dual sharpener, and top comes off. There you go for easy cleaning. This is really nice. I don't know if there's anything included in the bag that I'll be able to use this with, but either way, a sharpener is always a nice thing to have. Back into the bag we go. And here we have the Hello Light Cooling Glow Illuminating Stick. I do not have any stick highlighters from IT Cosmetics. I do have their powder, and let's take a look. Ooh, nice stick applicator. And I don't know if this is a mini or a full size, but either way, this is a really nice size to put in your bag if I'm traveling somewhere. Very nice, very nice. Back in the bag we go. And this is the Bye Bye Pores Blush, and this is in the color Love. I have used their blushes before. The one that I've used is more of a gradient palette. You could use it as a highlighter and also a brush, so it goes from light to dark at the bottom. Take a look here. Ooh, this is a really nice pink. Kind of have to use a light hand on this, but very nice color. Back in the bag we go. And this is the Blurred Lines lipstick, and the shade is Je ne sais quoi. I have used this particular lipstick before in this particular shade. As you see here, it's very pink. I would use this maybe on the inner lip just to give you more of a pouty look, and use a darker color and smudge that around to give a gradient look. But this is really nice. I'm glad that they incorporated a lip product into this mystery bag. And we've come to the last item in the bag, which is the Hello Cheekbones Contouring Duo. And this is the Love Highlighter and Matte Bronzer. I have used their bronzers before. Let's see what the component on the inside looks like. Their packaging is quite nice. It is a hard plastic case, and it has a full-size mirror. Let me cover that up a little bit so I don't get any reflection to it. But here is the two colors. So here's the highlighter and here's the bronzer. This is a really nice travel compact. The colors are really nice. I'm really happy with everything that they placed into this mystery bag, and I have to say the $200 retail value, I would say, is pretty much spot on. So here are all 7 items that I received in this mystery bag, and 8 if you count the bag that it came in itself. The $200 retail value is definitely here. I have purchased brushes from IT Cosmetics, and if I remember correctly, it was somewhere between the range of $30 and $50 per brush. So this particular brush, this Express Fan Brush, I am really excited to use. And the rest of the cosmetics, if you shop IT Cosmetics, you know that they are kind of pricey, but they are definitely worth it. So I want to thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the mystery bag for the month of October from IT Cosmetics. I'm really sad that I didn't open this when it first arrived. I didn't know it was here. So now I'm excited to try all the products, especially the new products that I did purchase to get this mystery bag promotion. And now it's just a matter of trying them, especially this setting spray. I'm really interested in the wear test for this to see how it compares to my other setting sprays. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button as it really helps my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye everyone.